Hello everybody, my name is Elias and I'm with EH Tech Support. Today I wanted to do a quick video showing you the power that you can have using Google Sheets, especially for budgeting in your own home. You can use obviously this tool for anything, but this I'm gonna provide you the template too so you can download it. But this tool is so powerful that really for me it amazes me how powerful it is and how few people take advantage of it, the fact that it's free. So to get started right away, we're gonna do a budgeting tutorial. We're gonna have your income here. We're gonna set it to $4,000. We're gonna fill all these over here. We're gonna fill this over here, and then we're gonna have the income here be calculated with everything here. So with the bills that are being paid. So let's just right off the bat start with Verizon. Say that I have a Verizon account, which I don't, but let's say that I do. And I pay for my cell phone bill, I pay, I don't know, let's say $70. The way that I have set it up here is that it'll start doing the calculation of everything. So basically, everything that I paid, it'll start going in here. And it'll do the math together. So my mortgage, let's say that I have a mortgage of $1,500. Okay. It starts doing the math here. The next thing, say that I have a condo fee, I don't know, $150. See, the next thing is per personal loan. Is that I pay $100 per loan. The next thing is gas on a monthly basis. Oh, sorry, we're gonna take personal. I don't know what happened here, but I'm gonna backtrack it. Okay, so for gas, then you go and say that you're spending on a monthly basis. Let's say you have an economical card, you're spending what, $25, so let's put $100 on that. By the way, Comcast is expensive, so let's just say you just call Comcast and you have them give you a good deal and you're paying $90. Boom. Put the symbol here. Sometimes you gotta put the symbol to it. Lyft. Say you take Lyft in your job, and sometimes in my job I have to take Lyft at least one time a week. So, but sometimes I have to take it 3 times. I would say in total of a month I have to take it at least 6 times. So, it's a short ride. So let's say I'm paying what, $50. $50. Food shopping, grocery shopping. I would say on a weekly basis, I probably spend $70 on that. So let's just put 70. Okay. Car payments. For car payment, let's say that I'm paying, I don't know, $150. I got a good deal. $150, I think. For car insurance, I'm paying, let's say, I don't know, $200. So, this is the good thing about this is you can actually do this calculation and add the rest of these here. Before I did the video, I added these here. So I'm going to start adding the rest. That one. Enter. Okay. So, right away, this took out. You put the equal sign. You can put it right here or anywhere really. You can put it and it'll either multiply or divide or so you can do like different types of calculations. So you put the equal sign and select the sheet where the money's at. In this case, say you want to do Verizon, that is B2. Then B3 for the mortgage. See, so B2, B3. You first put the sheet, of course, where the money's at. So in this case, E5. This is your monthly check. This is what you get here monthly. So you put E5, equal sign E5. Then you start taking out everything minus B2, which is right here, B3, B4. And you add all of them here, and then you have it so that it's calculating everything that's in here. It's taking everything out of this box. So now that you have that, you go here and You put F16, which is this box here, and you put 17 together, and subtract that. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but hopefully it does. It's pretty simple. I'll do a sample for you so you know what's going on. So in this case, you got $4,000. So I'll do it here just as a sample. You put an equal sign right over here. That's going to start you with the income. In this case, you have this. So you're adding that just by clicking it, it'll add it for you automatically. And then you want to do subtraction of the mortgage, right? So click on the mortgage and then click it and then press enter, and then it'll tell you, it'll literally do that math for you right there. It's pretty simple. Once you do that again, I use this formula for many different things. There's just different things you can do to manipulate the sheet. Again, I'm going to have the sheet for you prepared so you can download it if you like. But it should be pretty easy. You can add other stuff here and calculate it. But it says here that after everything that I paid, based on the information that's here, this is calculating everything, that I have here. It's calculating it, and it's leaving me here after all is paid with $24.80. Again, this is not my actual income, but this is an example to show you how powerful this tool can be. And if you use this on a monthly basis, and you can actually download your your bank statement, you can actually download it as a Excel file and export it to Google on the Google Sheets. You can actually really manipulate this data and determine what's going on with your bills, because a lot of times we don't know. We just go out and we buy something at a store. We go to the thrift store. We go to different places to shop, and many times we find that we're making a huge mistake. We're going into stores to buy food when we already have food that we bought at the supermarket for the week. I find myself sometimes I go to sandwich shops and spend $15 here and there, and that actually affects my income really well, because what it does is I'm already buying food during the week at the supermarket. I'm spending $70, but now I'm spending $15 every other day or whatever, and adding that $15 really gives you a glimpse of what you're doing and what you should be doing to save and be in a better position financially. A lot of times we don't realize these things, and we're saying, well, why is it that I don't have enough money in my bank account? What's going on? What am I doing? Is that we're spending in so many different ways, and we don't even realize that we're doing it. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comment section. Make sure to like this video. Share this video with your friends. I hope it helped, because knowing this information really helped me understand how to pay my bills, understand how to pay things, and be able to enjoy the money, the income that I actually make. So signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.